Today, we're diving into the 2 scroll wheels on the 2024 Tesla Model 3 steering wheel and everything they can do. First up, the left scroll wheel. In normal mode, it is your media controller. Press to play or pause music, tilt left or right to skip tracks, and scroll up or down to adjust the volume. It also manages your wipers. First, you do need to engage it with the right-hand side over here where you have your wiper button. You press that, and then you scroll up or down. You'll see on the screen that you can raise and lower the speed. In multifunction mode, a long press activates custom features. You can tilt or scroll to navigate menus and select different functions. For instance, for me, I have it set where I hold this and then the fan speed will go up or down all the way up to 10. Instead of me having to go into the screen and then come into this side here and raising and lowering it, I can do it right from the scroll wheel. To change the custom function, all you have to do is go into the menu, go to display, and then here you'll see scroll wheel function. Like I said, for me, it's fan speed currently, but I can change it to any one of these here, and then you have that set up when you hold and press the left scroll wheel. During phone calls, tilt left to answer or mute, and tilt right to end the call, all from the same scroll wheel. Admittedly, I typically don't use the phone via Bluetooth in the car. I typically just put my AirPods in, but that is how you would use it. Now, the right scroll wheel is all about the autopilot. Press once to activate auto steer, and then you tilt left or right to adjust your following distance and scroll up and down to change your max speed. But there are some features that you do need to kind of play with, I guess, customize within the actual autopilot screen on your Tesla Model 3. You will have to go to some of these different, let me see if I can scroll this over, scroll to some of these different settings to see what or how you engage it, because you can do a single click or a double click depending on what it is that you have it set up. Right now, I just have it as a single, and it'll activate either autopilot, and if you have FSD on a single, you'll activate FSD. So it's that simple, that smooth, everything you need on 2 little wheels, right and left. And that's how you control Tesla's scroll wheels in the 2024 Model 3. Let me know which feature is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla tips. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Any comments, questions, suggestions, anything at all, put them down in the comment section below. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology.